Our story begins in the bustling metropolis of Neon City, where technology and tradition intertwine seamlessly. Meet Leo, a young inventor with a heart full of dreams and a workshop full of gadgets. One fateful day, while exploring an abandoned laboratory, Leo stumbles upon an ancient AI artifact glowing with an otherworldly light. This is Era, a forgotten AI with the power to transform into various gadgets. Leo, curious and determined, activates Era. To his astonishment, Era comes to life, revealing a hidden message: Neon City is in danger from a looming energy crisis. The solution lies in unlocking the secrets of the ancient AI technology. With Era by his side, Leo embarks on a thrilling adventure through Neon City's towering skyscrapers, neon-lit streets, and hidden underground labs. As they navigate through challenges, Leo and Era form an unbreakable bond, facing adversaries and uncovering long-lost secrets. Their journey takes them from the heights of the city's skyscrapers to the depths of its underground labs, meeting allies and foes along the way. Together, they discover that the key to saving Neon City lies not just in technology, but in the unity and resilience of its people. In a climactic showdown, Leo and Era harness the power of ancient AI technology to restore balance to Neon City's energy systems, saving the city from disaster. The citizens of Neon City celebrate their heroes, and Leo realizes that with Era by his side, the possibilities for the future are limitless. And so, the legend of Leo and Era is born, a testament to the power of innovation, courage, and the unbreakable bond between humans and AI.
Welcome back to my channel.
I'm Xerox.
Today, we will be going through the Part 2 series on creating a monetizable animated movie clips with AI tools for free. We've previously treated this, but today, we will be using a different AI tools to achieve the short film story you just watched. The AI tool for video generator we will use was recently made open to global users with a limited number of free uses. And from the short clip, you can see that it's really a good one. If you've watched the previous video on my channel, it's the same method or process. Just that we will be using two different AI tools for image generation and video generation this time. And all the links to the AI tools will be in the description. With that being said, let's get started. First up, we will get a script for the short film. I used ChatGPT, as you can see on the screen, to generate both the film script and the prompt for image generation, which we will not go into, but if you want to see how I do that, make sure to watch this video after. I will also add it on the end screen at the end of this video. Now that we have the script, it's time to convert it into voice. So I use Clipchamp for voiceover generation. I have a video you can watch if you don't know how to use it. Check the end screen for the videos, or you can also find them in the description. So let me export and download the voiceover. Now we have it. Next step is to generate the images using the prompts from ChatGPT. Now go to ideogram.ai and sign up with Google account. Once you are in, it will take you to this page. Now let's copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it here in ideogram, and set aspect ratio to 16:9, and for enhancement I chose cinematic. After hit generate. Give it time to finish. And there you have it. Make sure to go through what it generated and choose the best. Also regenerate if you don't like it, and of course adjust your prompt if necessary. So let me quickly generate others. After downloading all the images, it's time to generate videos from the images, and we will be using Kling. So go to Google and type klingai.com and sign up. The link will be in the description. Go to Image and Prompt section and click here. Add the image and also paste the prompt here, but it's optional. But I noticed that using the prompt makes the generated video appear as I wanted. Have in mind that you will get 66 free credits daily. On the settings, I left it the way it is. You can add negative prompts if you wish, but in my case I didn't. Then hit generate. Give it time to finish. And there you have it. Now let's bring everything together. In the editing stage, I use CapCut. Drag all the clips in. Bring in the voiceover and add effects like cinematic, transitions, and background sounds to add feelings to the video. But make sure to take time in fine-tuning your editing to get the best out of it. And once you are done, export it, and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and follow my socials for more interesting content like this. Happy creating!